Naghahanap ka ba ng bagong property dito sa Pangasinan? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Welcome to Futura One Fora Dagupan, your gateway to a better lifestyle. As you approach the development, you'll see the progress of the project. Every building has 196 units, with the ground floor as a parking area and the remaining 7 floors as residential, plus roof deck. Futura provides thoughtfully designed units tailored to your lifestyle. Pwede kang mamili between studio-type units or 2-bedroom units, perfect for individuals and families alike. Katabi naman nito ay ang Building B. But wait, kung inaakala mo dalawa lang sila, dyan ka nagkakamali. A total of 7 residential condominium buildings ang itatayo dito sa master planned community ng Futura. Napakagandang location dahil accessible. Malapit lang sa mga shopping centers, schools, church, dining spots, at iba pang malalaking establishments. Futura One is more than just a residence. It's your gateway to modern living. Stay tuned as we bring this exciting development closer to completion. For inquiries, contact us today.